Hello everybody, my name is DJ Titan, coming to you live from my room. I've got a package from Scouts Canada. It contains awesome, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. First, let me grab my knife, and let's get into the package. So, looking at the package, first thing we have is a bubble pack. Not very interesting, but underneath that we have everything in there. Look at that, isn't it pretty? Pop goes the weasel. So first thing I grab is the water bottle. It's pretty cool. The hat next. It's looking pretty nice. We've got the polo shirt with the Canada flag on it, and it's looking awesome as well. It's really comfortable, really nice and soft. Next we have the Canada t-shirt in red and also black. Up next we have the towel and bandana. Kind of holding it off the camera there for a moment. After that, I've pulled out the woggles for our scarves. Now let's take a look at the scarf. It looks very nice, nice and red, representing Canada. Getting excited, you know? It's going to be a lot of fun. Got a very nice looking scarf. Good representation of Canada, and if you've noticed, there's a Mountie on there. So here's what the scarf looks like in its packaging. I've also got two baggage tags for your bags that you're going to take with you to the World Jamboree. Super excited for those. In this package we have a battery. It's one of those lipstick size batteries, so if you need more juice throughout the Jamboree, I recommend getting a bigger one. So look at all these patches we got. We got Canada patches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 patches for trading and whatever else you want to do. Next we have the rain jacket. It's very nice. It's by Columbia. It's got all the Canada logos on it. And let's take a look at the back. The hood is hidden. It's right under here. You can pull it out. Just undo some of the Velcro. And you got this awesome hood to keep you dry whenever it rains. Last but not least, we have the backpack. Nice backpack, red and black, representing Canada once again. It's got a lot of space inside of it, so all the space you need for all those things you're going to trade, and we look forward to seeing you there trading, having fun with everybody, and meeting new friends. It's got a whistle on it, straps to help balance the load, and that's about it. That's pretty much all in the box. And remember to recycle the box. I look forward to seeing you on stage at the World Jamboree. Have a great time, and enjoy.